Hey y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my home. And today's Temu haul, I'm sitting on the ground. Y'all know me, I don't like standing up unless it's clothes try on and all that. See, can you see Bella in the background? Where's she at? Bella. There's Bella. We just celebrated the 21st was her 4th year anniversary from our adoption. So we've had her 4 years now. So she's truly our blessing in our life, I'm telling you. So we are still going with the theme of Summer-Ween, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed my last video. I hope y'all enjoying my craft videos. So we're just gonna get right into it. So this is not all Halloween. I do have some patriotic and some Christmas. So just get you something to drink and let's get into this. We'll save the Christmas for last. Let's see. I got doubles of a lot. So I don't want to do the doubles. And I have opened up one, so we'll do the patriotic and a Christmas last, and we'll do these. Okay. So this is not going to be a long video, y'all. God bless whoever is doing long Temu. Oh, this is not local Temu. This came from Temu, China. And I got it quick. A lot quicker than I used to after all these years. I got it like really quick. I'll have to look it up and put it on the video when I edit it, how fast it got here. But, so I got 2 of these. These are postcards, and you can use them as postcards, but you know me, they're going in my junk journals. I have been buying all my postcards on Whatnot. I keep waiting, I had to buy some from Temu. So these have, I think it was 32 cards. 32 cards in each pack. I got 2 packs of the same. So I'm just going to open up the one. And I will try to flash through here real quick for you. They come with a band. You know, this was around them. I went ahead and looked at them and searched. Look, let me look closer to y'all. Scoot up, scoot up. Okay. Well, my bandana's coming off right now. Okay. So these are Halloween ones, and they all have the backs, and they look aged, like they're old. I did see a couple of prints that wasn't really great quality, because they are excuse me, AI generated. Love that. Love that. Yeah, was that the second one? Yeah, I already have one like that. I think you get 2 of the same. I'm seeing a couple of them I just seen. Woohoo! Throw it at you. Hold on, Babel. Mama's filming, honey. She's wanting to get in the coffee table. And these are all vintage inspired. I love that one. Love that one. There's another black cat. Yep, you already seen this one. I'll try, oops, there's one underneath. Bell. Sorry, y'all. If I didn't, she was gonna keep. I think it might be easier to do it this way. I mean, y'all need to see me. Y'all need to see these cards. Okay, so that's my first pack, and like I said, I got 2 of these, and these are going in my junk journals. And right now, I've been buying quite a bit. I don't like having to buy because they're junk journals, but I don't have anything stashed up or safe, so I really want to get making on some Halloween journals. So I got 2 of those, and they were $4.67 each. I got 32 cents off each one, so they were $4.35 each after my price adjustment. Okay, let's see. I got 2 of these. These are the Halloween pack. This was the Happy Halloween pack. And these were $5.13 and I got 4 cents off each one. They're also 32 cards. Like I said, as soon as I got them, I checked them to see the quality. Because you know my postcards that I've been getting off of Whatnot, they've been from 1900 to the 1970s. I think it's the newest one. So I want to see them, and this is the Halloween edition. Okay. Oops. What the bell? Now I opened that for you. You can hear them. They're really thick cards. Oops. I think this is the pack that I said that had a few that wasn't as great quality. But you could add any embellishments to it. There you go. That is that pack. And I got 2 of these. Like I said, it was $5.13 and 4 cents off. Okay, my last Halloween pack. And then we're going to do Christmas and 4th of July. It's my hair. My hair is a whack. Is it? For $4.81, I got a price adjustment of 31 cents, so I made it $4.50, which is a great price. Hey, Belle, what are you scratching for? You got your collar on, baby girl. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to tear you. Okay, they all come with a band. Just getting this band off. Just rip it off. And this is the cat version. And they're 32 cards. These are thick cards. They're going to be nice for journaling. And y'all know me and my love for my cats. Oops, dropped one. Tell me which one's y'all's favorites, which set, and would you buy them? Not just for junk journaling, to mail them, to decorate, because you can put these in picture frames. You can make mixed media art with them. You could do so many different things with these, not just junk journal. You could have your kids hand them out at Halloween. You know, it's in class, like Valentine's card, but have Halloween cards. But you can't beat them prices. I mean, you really can't. Okay, let's see. Okay, now we're gonna go into 4th of July. This is a little pack. Yeah, they're same price, but little pack, y'all. I was so disappointed, but I couldn't find it. It says 12. That was a really, yeah. For $4.11, 31 cents off. I mean, how many 4th of July or patriotic junk journals are you gonna do? And I can still get on there. I got time to get on there with the Whatnot with all my postcard people and get them that way. Oh, my bangs. I already trimmed them, y'all. Okay, 4th of July. I don't know what that black is. It is not a postcard. And though it says it's postcards, these are not like the others. Okay. So you got 4th of July. Beautiful. I've seen postcards like this. They're beautiful. Real postcards. They have them on Whatnot. They're real legit ones. These are just images of them. Do y'all know that Memorial Day used to be called Decoration Day? That is so thick. It's gotta be 2. Okay, it's 2. Hold on, y'all. They're really thick. It's hard to... And get this last one is... it's not together. Oh my goodness. He just didn't want to let go of it. So 12 cards for 4th of July, Independence, decorations, Memorial Day, Veterans Day. You can use them for all those. And you wouldn't have to have it technically like this. You could just put a stamp, you know, a stamp on the back of this and just write to and all that. Okay, so that's my 4th of July. And here's my vintage Christmas. It was $4.77. I got 31 cents price adjustment, so it was $4.46, and it was 32 cards. These are the postcards. Taking these out to my office as soon as I'm done, and putting them in something to store them. Let me see. I'm going to try to do this a little different here, so since it's the last one. I'm going to sneak and peek over here because I ain't got to see them. Woohoo! I'm just throwing them down left and right, ain't I? I know it's far off from Christmas, but I seen them and they were on sale. And like I said, I got this shipment from China, from Temu, no local. So I'm not doing any more locals. And if y'all do get a chance, I made 2 different videos, a short one and a 4-minute one on how to bypass local Temu now to start getting it back from Temu in China. So if you want to check out those videos, I'll link them down below in the description box. And don't forget my Whatnot Wednesdays, 9:15. All my videos are 9:15 except for Temu. It's 8:15 Central Time. Thursdays I have extra hauls, and Saturdays I will do my DIY videos. So don't forget to check back regularly if you don't see me, because I'm always going to be putting out a Temu Tuesday or something. There's always going to be something every week. So please check back if y'all not getting any kind of notifications. My husband subscribed to me, and I've had a few subscribers saying they haven't been getting my notifications. And I used to not give notifications for any other videos besides my Temus, but here lately I said I don't care. I'm doing it whether it messes up YouTube's algorithm. I don't care, so I've been doing it, and it has messed it up. Where I used to get thousands of views a video, I barely get a few hundred. So I don't care. I'm putting the stuff out that I want to put out because this is what I do and what I love doing, and I hope y'all love it too. I hope y'all love. It's not just, I'm not a mixture of hauls and crafts like I am. This is my life. I probably should just change the name of my YouTube channel to Carolsue's Life or something, Life of Carolsue, because it's my life. It's not, I'm not here to grow into these big mega YouTube people. I'm here to share my life with you, while I can, when I can. So, and I hope y'all are enjoying it, and I hope y'all love my decorating, because that's my passion, making crafts and decorating for the holidays. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Like I said, I got a lot on this. I don't need to get on YouTube, on whatnot, and buy no postcards for a while, and they have been missing me. So I try to jump on there just to chat in the chat line. But yeah, I hope y'all have been watching my videos, and I appreciate you, and I thank y'all so much for all y'all support. Love y'all. God bless you. Bye.